dito. Bye-bye.
Dito.
The world is a wondrous place when you slow it down.
Throw off the rules like our shoes on the golden ground.
Sway in the autumn leaves.
You are beautiful.
When you look at
Bro, anong nahanap mo?
Sabi kasi sa akin, dito kami magkita sa UP.
Dito?
Oo, kasi wala naman.
can you feel my love?
Can you feel my love?
Hi, good morning! Ito wala. Matakbo-takbo lang siya. Sa isip ko. Pero wala lang. Chill lang.
Oo! Ay, oo! Sorry naman dyan.
Invite ko siya mag-run. Nahiya ako kasi nga lagi siyang busy. Nakikita ko na lang siya sa social
Hindi mo kasi ako
media.
in-invite.
Yung totoo? Yung
Ilan
totoo?
ba ako?
Oh!
Hindi mo ako in-invite.
Hindi. Ini-invite kita.
Barbie, nakapag-run na kayo ni David.
Hindi pa.
Di ba?
Pa, actually.
Paglabas, takbo tayo.
Oh, tara. Busy yung friend mo eh.
Ikaw din daw eh.
Ha?
Ikaw din daw eh.
Okay.
Konti lang.
So, medyo hindi kahit jogging-jogging yung iba. Okay. Fun.
Pero may
Fun
time.
run.
May time na
Na
nag-workout kami nung nandito si David nga.
Kayong lahat.
Lahat kami. As in,
Okay.
yun
Thank you. Oo.
Kailangan kita dito sa aking mundo. Starting now, we're breaking out, but I'm not leaving without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a postcard when we're through. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Oh, 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 oh. 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 You wanna see the sunrise, starry nights and endless seas. Riding out
Kung sabi ng totoo talaga yung kilig ni David.
Oo, totoo. Kailangan totoo. Kailangan
Kailangan totoo.
Yes. Kailangan totoo siya.